In this video, you're going to learn how to build your very own app in under 3 minutes. All you need is a phone and an internet connection. No computer, and zero coding experience required. First off, you'll need to install an AI tool that you're comfortable working with. My recommendation is Gemini, specifically using the Pro model. But Gemini alone isn't enough. You're going to need 2 more things. First, the prompt I wrote for you. All you got to do is grab this prompt from the video description, and right here, describe the app you want and the idea you have in mind. For example, I'll write, a daily planner and monthly goal-setting app with a built-in Pomodoro timer. And second, the AppMint application. The download link for this one is also down in the description. Just install it, and we're ready to build our app. After you've customized the prompt, just like I did, simply give it to the AI and copy the code it gives you. Next up, you can ask the AI to generate an icon for your app too. Now, let's open AppMint and select Create App. First off, we'll choose a name for our app. In the next step, select the HTML option and paste the code the AI gave us right here. In this part, you can upload the icon the AI designed, or you can just build the app without one. Finally, enter a package name using the exact format you see here. Set the app version in the same way, and move on to the next step. This step doesn't need any changes, so we'll just skip it. In the Display Options section, I recommend turning off the Enable Web View Zoom option. There's no need to touch the other options, so let's skip ahead. For this step, our app doesn't require any special permissions, so we can skip this too. In the final step, set the sign key mode to the second option, the recommended one, and then hit Generate App. Wait a few moments, and install the application. As you can see, this app was built effortlessly in under 3 minutes. It's fully functional now, so you can share it with your friends or easily create whatever app you need and have in mind. If you enjoyed this tutorial and video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as possible.